Let's take a look at the new planner agent. In order to utilize the planner agent, we will start by saying create a plan. In the create a plan area, we can create from scratch a basic plan or premium plan. As noted here, the AI powered planner agent is in all plans and templates. To trigger the AI agent, we can scroll down here into this area from our templates that say planner agent. And we have multiple different types of planner agent that can be utilized. Let's go ahead and select research report. We will say use template and we'll assign it to a group or create a new group. We're going to say use template, and now it is creating our plan for us. And this is going to be a premium plan. As you can see here, we can now utilize planner agent. I can have, it has me some starting tasks here, which you can see here. I also have multiple views such as goals, board, timeline, reports area, as well as charts, people, assignments, and SharePoint as well. If we go back to our grid view here, I see that I can plan projects and complete tasks faster with the AI planner agent as well. Let's see here, I can go to the board view and I can assign a task to the assigned to planner agent. As you can see here, I'm working on it. If I open up this task here, I can see that this signifies that it's using the planner agent. It's in progress, this task. And in our planner agent and planner area, it's working on the latest status update, as you can see here. So for example, if I update this to 50% and add some hours or change it to a different sprint, information will be utilized there. I can also create some items here. Add a dependency as well. And here in our planner agent, it's going to give us a little status update. So I gathered and documented key facts about the life cycle of the great white shark, which is what this is about, covering reproduction, growth, maturity, adult behavior, lifespan, and conversation status. And here it uses some facts. It gives us some facts, gathered to support a research topic on this topic, which is what this plan is centered around, as you can see here. So as you can see here, this AI tool can be very helpful when we assign a task to planner agent. It's going to give us some information. Now I can add some more details like in the notes area or an attachment, and then I can regenerate information using planner agent and planner as well here. This is a great tool to help to be utilized to create efficiency in your plan and provide more information to each step or task you have in your plan.